Welcome to my Balloon Twisting for Beginners series, where I teach you how to twist balloons like a pro. Hi, I'm Melanie from Balloon Artworks in Derbyshire in the UK, and today I'm going to show you how to make a balloon swan and the techniques that we'll be using. I'll be introducing the technique of pressure fitting, and we're also going to be using the shock twisting technique that you've already learned in previous lessons. So take a 260 in white and your hand pump, and make sure that your hand pump is all the way down. And I'm going to inflate the balloon and just leave a tip for about 4 fingers or so, 3 to 4 fingers. So we'll inflate 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay? I've immediately removed the balloon from hand pump so I don't lose any air. I'm going to soften the balloon slightly by letting a little bit of air out, and I'm going to tie. Okay, so the tying technique, if you need to revisit that, check out lesson 1 where we made the pirate sword. Okay, so this is going to be our swan's beak, and we want to twist off a bubble for the neck that is approximately 6 inches. Okay? And then bring the end of your balloon here and just wrap that neck and nozzle through a few times. So you've got a big loop and the swan's neck and beak. And we're now going to split this balloon in half. And this is quite a handy technique to have as well. So if you're wanting to split a loop bubble, a flower petal bubble, a loop bubble in half like this, put the balloons together and pinch the end here. So whilst you're pinching hold of this end, just twist the top balloon, or the bottom, it doesn't matter, but just twist the top or the bottom. That splits your balloon in half. So you've got 2 bubbles now that are pretty much the same size. And then what we just want to do now is take hold of these 2 sections and bring them together and twist. Okay, so that's what you've got. You've got the 2 loops and you've got the swan's neck. Okay, next take one of your loops and push it through the centre of the other one. Okay, so this is where the pressure fitting comes in. There's nothing holding these 2 balloons together other than the pressure of the balloons against each other. Now at the moment this is upside down, so I'll just turn it the right way up. So these are the swan's wings, and then we've got the swan's tail coming out here. And then just take the swan's neck and just push the bottom of it in between these 2 balloons here. So again, that's just pressure fitted. So to get the shape of the swan's neck, we need to bend the swan's neck over and just massage the balloon a bit here. So I'm just massaging it and snapping it between my fingers, and we'll see how that goes. Sometimes you need to do it a little bit more. So just massage this area here. And it's the warmth of our hand that is distorting the shape of the swan's neck. And then just push the swan's neck in position. And there you've got a 1 balloon swan using just a 260. Remember to like this video and subscribe to my channel so you don't miss any of my future balloon twisting lessons for beginners. And I'll see you again in the next lesson.